Hello children, how are you? Children, in this video I am going to discuss about factorization. Okay, and here we are going to talk about the factorization of algebraic expressions. Okay, तो what is factorization? Factorization मतलब जब हम कोई भी algebraic terms को उनके factors के product के form में हम लिखते हैं तो that is called as the factorization. Okay, तो दिस फैक्टर्स, ये जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो कोई भी नंबर्स हो जा सकते हैं, कोई अलजेब्रिक वेरिएबल हो सकता है या कोई अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, तो हम जो फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं कुछ अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के फैक्टर्स तो यू कैन इजीली यू कैन प्रिडिक्ट और यू कैन मेक इट आउट, जैसे 3xy. ओके, so in this algebraic expression these factors are 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y. Okay, so these are the factors, okay, of 3xy. Similarly 5x square z. In this, if you want to write in the form of factors, it will be 5 into x into z, or simply if you can write it like 5 into x square into z. So we can make it out that these are the factors of the given algebraic expression. लेकिन कुछ algebraic expression जो आपके mathematical operation से join होते हैं, okay? कुछ algebraic expressions जैसे 2x plus 4, इसके क्या क्या factors हैं, इसको make out करना थोड़ा सा tricky हो जाता है. Okay, so how to write this algebraic expressions in the form of the product of its factors. Okay, so 2x plus 4, so 2x plus 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay, तो यहाँ पे भी 2 है और यहाँ पे भी 1 2 we can take it as common. So 2 will be taken as common. 2 को हम common ले लेंगे and then we are going to write it. यहाँ 2 is common, so x is left out, so x we will write, then plus, and this 2, one of the 2 is out here, so what is left? One single 2. So it can be written as x plus 2. Now you can see we have written it in the form of the product of its factors. So children, so this is the way we have to find out the factors of the algebraic expression or how to factorize an algebraic expression. In my later videos I am going to discuss about the different methods of factorization, and hope children you are okay and fine with the explanation. So refer my videos and my channel to more and more people and tell them to subscribe the channel as well. Okay, thank you so much.